Great job getting this far. We're just gonna add a camera and animate it, make it a little snazzy, and then we're gonna export. Alright, so let's go to our Cine Camera actor, drag it into our timeline. It's gonna slap that on top there. And then we're gonna pick two locations or two views that we want to slide between. So we're gonna turn on our transform here. We're gonna go to frame 0. We're gonna delete the key that it just made. Go to frame 0. Add a key. So let's see, where do we want to? And right now we're driving the camera, as you can see from right here. Once we dragged it onto the timeline and have it selected on the timeline, we're gonna look as if we're looking through the camera. So let's see, we want to go, I kind of want an angle kind of like this, kind of like that. And then if we go, see, let's go back to 0, kind of want it to be dead center, so that it goes to the center. Then, about right here, let's switch to a top view. Okay, so it's doing a huge movement there. We'll adjust that in just a second. Simplify that. I kind of want it, so right about here, so I actually want it to be above right as those triangles are coming into form. So before that, so I'm going to delete this. It's going to start right about here. Okay, let's try that. I don't love it. I don't love it. Okay, so we're going to start. Let's start at 0, or 1. Let's go in like this. So we're going to delete these and try again. So right about here, we want to be able to see the whole thing. And right about here, I kind of want to see this. I should back out. So I think from this point of view, we kind of want to see a little more. Let's get a wider shot there. I want to get more close up in. I want to see these parts moving. Let's see. So yeah, this is again another part where you get to tweak it until it looks exactly how you want it to look. I kind of want to go, we'll just see. So, interesting. We're going to go to this one. We're going to get that a little more in the middle there. So I kind of want to see if I can get that initial bloom. Yeah, right there. And then let's fill it. Let's do it a little closer there. And then I feel like it should stay in the center the entire time. Kind of do some adjustment keys there. Want it to stay in the center, and that's going to be a little wiggly. Yeah, so we're going to delete that one. Don't love that, so we'll bring that back. Going to get rid of this and this. Okay, now we're going to go to our curve editor here. Oops. There we go. And we're going to adjust our curves so that they're a little more elegant. So we get some nice smooth. these keys here in the middle so that it goes evenly toward. No, that's not right. Okay. Okay. I think that's pretty satisfying. Okay, let's just drag that out so that it's a little more. Yep. Let's get more of that in frame. Get that more in center. What is this? Oh my. Okay. That's kind of interesting. But not that interesting, so we'll bring that back. So yeah, mess with it till you get something you like. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, we're gonna put that right back where it was, because there we go. We're done. Let's export this baby. To export, go to this button, go to unsaved config. I've already got this. This probably won't be here for you. So go to this plus setting button, and then it'll say H.264 MP4. You'll want that turned on. Pick your quality, accept, and then render, and it will put it into this output directory. And as long as your camera is in the correct spot, it'll pull up this render preview. It'll pull up this render preview window. So you'll have to adjust the lighting a little bit to make sure your camera is getting the lighting that you wanted. So you might have to reduce the exposure, but yeah, just tweak the settings till you get what you like, and then export it, and there you go. Alright, you did it. You learned how to set up a level, you learned how to import your assets, you learned about materials, you learned about lighting, animation, camera work, and how to export. And hopefully you've got something that you're proud to show your friends. I've had a lot of fun. I'm glad you made it this far. I'm glad you finished. I hope you made something that you're proud of. And I will see you next time.